Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Sidonie, a professional and passionate about safety. In my last video, we listed the different categories of falls. Today, we're going to focus on falls from heights. We're going to look at their causes, their consequences, and how to protect ourselves. All right, let's go. What are the causes of falls from heights? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button at the top right of the screen. Just to remind you, a fall from height happens when a person falls from a higher place to a lower one, like for example from a ladder, from scaffolding, etc. Here are some common causes of falls from heights. The first one is lack of training. Training is the key. Working at heights requires good technical skills and safety equipment. Training must therefore be adaptive or tasks, and the tools used because there are several types of work at heights. Number 2 is the improper use of collective protective equipment. Devices like guardrails, safety nets, or even lifelines, for example, must be installed and used correctly to be effective. Otherwise, it's pointless. Number 3 is unfavorable working conditions. Slippery floors, poor visibility, or bad weather increase the risk of falling. Number 4 is individual negligence. Not following procedures, not wearing personal protective equipment, or even using defective equipment. This is also what causes falls from heights. The consequences can be serious. For example, we have physical injuries, fractures, spinal injuries, and sometimes even death. We also have psychological consequences, post-traumatic stress, anxiety. We also have the consequences for the company, like prolonged absences, additional costs, etc. So, how do we prevent falls from heights? First, we need to train the workers, train them regularly. I emphasize regularly because we need to do refresher training. We need to put in place proper collective protections like guardrails, safety nets, etc. You need to use personal protective equipment and wear it properly. Helmets, non-slip shoes, etc. You need to check the equipment and the work environment. It's essential to ensure their compliance and inspect them regularly. We need to assess the risks. Before every intervention, you need to conduct a risk assessment and ensure that all safety rules are being followed. Implement a strict safety policy. Raise people's awareness about safety and the importance of following procedures on a daily basis. Falls from heights can have serious consequences, that's for sure, but they are avoidable. And with effective prevention measures, we can avoid them. So we need to protect the safety of workers because safety is everyone's business. Click the thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in the next video to talk about falls from heights. See you soon.